The reason we chose Bailey Hand Trucks is because previously we were using another product and the trolley wasn't strong enough to handle what we were actually moving, and this trolley fit the job superbly.
We chose the Bailey hand trolley over other trolleys because it lasts a lot longer. We have a heavy industrial unloading type of atmosphere and it just does the job for us. The best feature of the Bailey hand truck is it helps our back. I don't have to put up with injuries to staff because we can unload and bring lots of stock in quickly.
What makes this different to any other trolley is that it has a pivoting axle lock bar. And by putting your foot onto the pedal, disengaging the axle and letting the weight bring the trolley back. The Bailey hand truck has a very special tyre. Not only is it PU filled, it's also the colour grey, and that's so it doesn't leave black marks anywhere when you're removing or turning corners, which helps in a lot of places if you're a furniture removalist or if you've got white flooring. We've since won the Queensland Workplace Health and Safety Award of Queensland. We earned it.